Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Pisces, and this is going to be a weekly reading from the 28th September to the 4th of October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And cross watchers, you guys are also welcome. And guys, please keep in mind that energy can be vice versa, right? And guys, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I post regularly, and you can also follow me now in Instagram and in Facebook. All right, all the information is given below in the description box. Now let's start with your reading. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces from the 28th September to the 4th of October 2020. Messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces from 28th September to the 4th of October? Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. You may clear accurate messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces, please. A time for healing. All right. All right. So this is the time for you to take time out for yourself and heal. Wow. Okay. Balsamic noon. It's clearly asking you to take time for yourself, right? And if you're holding on to something from the past and that's hurting you, it's time for you to let it go. All right. It's time for you to heal. All right. Messages for Pisces, please. Bring love into the situation. All right. New moon Aquarius. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Surrender to the divine, and it's time to release negativity. All right. That's what we talked about, right? So I really feel that it's time for you to heal and leave the negativity from your system. I really feel that it's time for you to leave that negativity behind. Bring love into the situation, right? You and your loved ones are safe. Understand that you and your loved ones are safe, all right? And all you need to do is surrender to the divine, right? Let's get a few more oracle messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces, please. All right. We have Chinnamasta. Okay. Okay. We have Dharana and Chinnamasta. Give me a minute, please. Looks like an ending here, right? All right. So I really feel that this is understanding things, right? This is understanding transformation. This is complete transformation here. This clearly says that you need to transform your, uh, you need to transform yourself into spirituality and bring an understanding to it. Dharana is all about understanding, right? Clarity of thoughts here. So I really feel that you need to change your pleasures to spirituality, and there is clear understanding here with the dharana here. So I really feel that it's time for you to understand things more clearly. Come out from that cloudiness, or where you feel that you have come out of those negative energy, negative thoughts, and bring that clarity of thoughts into your life. So this can also mean that this is a path, or this is the time where you feel that you are um, transforming those pleasures to spirituality, conversion, or you're moving towards a beautiful transformation to spirituality and more understanding into the divine. All right, this means that you're understanding things more clearly here. All right. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? ahimsa, non-violence. Treat all living things equally, non-violence, right? This is all about more understanding into your being, right? You're understanding things more from a higher power. I really feel that you are transforming yourself to a more calm state of mind. I really feel that you're seeing things more equally now. You're understanding things more equally with non-violence in your mind. You might be even uh, yeah, so I really feel that this is all removing negative thoughts and moving to more positive thoughts. Even when you're thinking about something, there is clarity of thoughts, there is removal of negative thoughts. Wow, major transformation here for you guys. I really feel that there is major transformation for you guys. Tapas, meditation, inner knowledge, strength from inner knowledge. So I really feel that this is a more spiritual awakening, spiritual transformation here. Bringing clarity of thoughts into your situation here. All right, major transformation. All right, this is major healing coming towards you. Now let's get into your tarot. All right, messages. What is the current energy for Pisces? What's the current energy for Pisces? What's the current energy for Pisces, please? Messages for Pisces. What's the current energy for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. Okay, give me the current energy for Pisces, please. What is the current energy for Pisces? What's the current energy for Pisces? Three of Cups. So this is all about coming together, celebration, right? Somebody returning, right? So there's some kind of celebration happening in your life currently, or this might be you moving to a. I really feel that there is somebody coming back into your life, reuniting here, right? I really feel that there is, yeah. Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, that is energy. You are enjoying somebody's company here, or somebody is coming back into your life with the Three of Cups here. What's crossing the spread? What's crossing the spread for Pisces? Four of Pentacles. This is somebody who has held on to you for a long period of time with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This can be you being very stubborn about this reunion or this celebration or this person coming back into your life here. All right. Now let's see what's the base of the spread. Six of Cups. Thank you. All right. There were memories here. All right. There were memories, nostalgia. You might feel that this person might be a soulmate kind of an energy. There is definitely a return of somebody in your life, guys. Now let's see what's crowning the spread. What's crowning the spread for you? What's crowning the spread for Pisces, please? Crowning the spread for Pisces. What's crowning the spread for Pisces? What's crowning the spread for Pisces? Six of Swords. Somebody is moving away. Somebody is moving on to better opportunities here with the Six of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy here. Alright. Alright. Now let's see what happened in the immediate past for Pisces. Messages for in the immediate past for Pisces. What happened in the immediate past for Pisces? What happened in the immediate past for Pisces? What happened in the immediate past for Pisces, please? What happened in the immediate past for Pisces? Five of Cups. So there was some kind of a loss here. Somebody is still dealing with some kind of a loss, right? This is some kind of, somebody might have left a situation, and this is like a grieving process here. Somebody might still feeling that loss here. Let's see what's the outcome for Pisces. What's the outcome for Pisces? What's the outcome for Pisces here? What's the outcome for Pisces? What's the outcome for Pisces? What's the outcome for Pisces? What's the outcome for Pisces, please? We have the Emperor here, Aries energy. So I really feel that you're coming into a situation in the future where you're being the leader, or you're understanding the situation more clearly here. This can be about you taking charge of a situation here, right? You being the leader that you are. So I really feel that you are going through a lot of spiritual changes here. You're understanding things more clearly as you go. So this is all about understanding things, dharana, right? So it's all about ahimsa, you thinking positive thoughts and being in your power with the Emperor energy, all right? Now let's get some clarifiers here for you guys. Now why is the Three of Cups here? Clarify the Three of Cups. It's major transformation. I really feel that this might be time where you are coming out successful, removing all those negative thinking and removing all those negative thinking from any situation which you might feel that is like challenging here. All right. Three of Cups. Clarify Three of Cups, please. The High Priestess. So there is intuition. You might be having higher intuition here. Your intuition is at play here. It's spot on. You have all the information you require, and you might know that there is some kind of reunion here with the Three of Cups here. This is all about knowledge. I really feel that you have all the knowledge here, right? What is that? And you have multiple options here. It's not just one person. There are multiple options coming towards you in love or something you love. All right. Now, why is the Seven of Cups here? Clarify the Seven of Cups here. You might be hoping on something new to come into your life. That's what I heard. So this is all about hoping or wishing on a star, or this can be also about an Aquarius here. All right. So you might feel that they are a star here, right? Oh, look at that. Three of Cups. So I really feel that you might be wishing or hoping for this reunion here, or you might be hoping or wishing for multiple reunion or multiple people coming back into your life here. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Clarify the Four of Pentacles. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Clarify the Four of Pentacles. Clarify the Four of Pentacles here. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Clarify the Four of Pentacles here. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Yeah, somebody's spying on you, right? Somebody might have cheated on you or went behind your back kind of energy. Or this can also be about somebody not communicating properly here with the Seven of Swords here, right? Give me a minute. All right. The Empress here. All right. This is all about new beginnings here. All right. I really feel that somebody is holding on to something from the past, and I really feel that this might be somebody sneaking on you, or you might be sneaking on them, and you might be expecting a new happy beginning here with the Empress. This might be a birth of a child or a new situation. You might be with the Star card here, I really feel that you might be hoping for a new opportunity here with the Empress. Now let's see, why is the Empress here? Yeah, there was some kind of a conflict here and you want to start over with this person here. Okay. Clarify the Six of Cups, please. Why is the Six of Cups? So I really feel that somebody is not in communication with the other person. There was kind of a break or some kind of a fight which has happened and you want them to come back into your life, right? There is confirmation that Three of Cups, clarified by the Three of Cups, clearly saying that there is reconciliation here, getting back together. Let's see, all right. Why is the Six of Cups here? There is memories and nostalgia here with the Six of Cups. Why is the Six of Cups here? So you are unable to move away from these thoughts, all right? I really feel that you're stuck up on this person. You're having these memories and thoughts about this person, and you're unable to move away from those thoughts here. Maybe that's where your dharana should come in, right? That is where you have to heal yourself. This is the time where you need to heal and understand things more clearly. So once you do that, then things will be more easy for you. These are all your thoughts, these are all in your head here, right? So I really feel that you're still lost in their own thoughts. I feel that you might be stuck with this person here. Why is the Eight of Swords with the Six of Cups here? Clearly you're stuck up on this person here. Yes, please. Yeah, you might feel that you're holding on to a burden with the Ten of Wands here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And the Knight of Wands. There is some kind of message coming from an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius towards you, bringing a passionate opportunity here. Or you might be expecting them to come towards you, bringing a passionate opportunity here. Alright. Now, Six of Swords. Somebody might have already left the situation. Somebody has moved on to some new opportunity or karma. What else here? Somebody has already left. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So I feel that there is an Aquarius reflection again. Now, it's reflecting in your readings, guys. So multiple Aquarius. Alright, we have the Pisces, that is your energy. So there are changes here. So you might feel that they have moved on, right? Bringing some kind of changes into your life. Why is the Six of Swords with the Moon here? Why is the Six of Swords with the Moon here? Why is the Six of Swords with the Moon here? Why is the Six of Swords with the Moon? Yeah, you're trying to juggle. There is somebody trying to juggle a situation here, because you might feel that there are changes and there is somebody who has left the situation. And this is the Page of Cups. There is a sudden message coming towards you, or you might be sending a message towards them, right? Because you're still juggling thought of them in your life, or they might have left you, but you're still feeling that. And I really feel that you might be texting them or communicating with them. That is a sudden message, sudden thought, and I really feel that you might be texting them. Page of Cups. Now let's see, why is the Five of Cups here? Clarify the Five of Cups in the immediate past. Why is the Five of Cups in the immediate past? There was some kind of a loss. This is like a grieving process for you guys. I feel for you guys. It's not easy to move away from that period. Let's see. Okay, Five of Cups. Clarify the Five of Cups, please. Five of Cups. Clarify the Five of Cups. All right. Oh wow. Okay, I need to put that down. So this Ace of Wands, new passionate beginning here. All right, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, and Ace of Swords. So I really feel that there are multiple opportunities coming towards you. This is a new passionate beginning here, and this Ace of Swords is all about clarity of thoughts and truth coming out of a situation. Or you might be deciding on starting over, right, with somebody new here, with Ace of Wands or an Ace of Swords. So it might be multiple people, or it might be somebody coming into your life with a new offer here. All right, creative offer or something, bringing some kind of new opportunity into your life. Why is the Ace of Wands with the Ace of Swords here? Clearly two new opportunities here. All right, let's see, why is the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords here? Clarify the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords here. Clarify the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords here, please. Clarify the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Clarify the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords, please. Nine of Swords. Alright, somebody is unable to move forward. Anxiety, pain, ruin, sadness. I really feel that you might be going through a period of time where you're still lost in their own thoughts. Even when this new opportunity is coming, I really feel that you are unable to sleep here. And then we have the Temperance energy here. That is Sagittarius energy. You are being very patient and you're trying to balance things here. We have this balancing act going on here for you guys. I really feel that you're trying to balance what has happened and your current energy. I know that this feels really bad, but I really feel that you will come out of it successfully, because I really feel that you're putting I can see that you're putting all the work and effort here. But I really feel that if you're thinking about a miracle, it's not going to happen. It's all about you working in releasing all this negativity. All right. Okay, now let's see. Okay, give me a minute. Let's see. Okay, I really feel that it's Sagittarius energy. I really feel that might be a Sagittarius who's coming in. Yeah. Okay, or a King of Swords. So I really feel that it can be Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, or Sagittarius here. And I really even feel like you might be taking a decision regarding this person here. Alright, King of Swords, analytical, logical decisions being made here regarding balancing of a situation here. You might be trying to make a decision to bring that balance into a situation also. Take it as it resonates, guys. It might not be the same story for everybody. Now we have the Emperor in the outcome. So I really feel that you are standing tall. I really feel that you might come out as a leader, strong, right? Oh my God, why? Why do you need to do that? I really feel that, okay, this might be even you accepting or you understanding this, that somebody might have left you out in the cold and you are accepting the situation. Let's see, why is the Five of Pentacles here? Why do you need to come out that way? All right, Five of Pentacles. Leaving somebody might have left you in the cold, or you might have. So maybe you're coming out of that situation as an emperor. You know, that's even possible, right? Let's see, Five of Pentacles. Maybe this is what you felt and this is how you're gonna be, right? How much difference is there? See, shadow side. So I really feel that with the Five of Pentacles, you might feel that you're addicted to this person, or you feel that you can't move away from this person. This might be you addicted to this person, or some kind of an old habit you need to look into. Capricorn energy here. And Eight of Cups, moving away from this situation which is no longer serving you. So you might be understanding that this is some kind of an addiction and you're moving away from it, bringing balance into a situation. Yes, that's beautiful. So I really feel that there is some kind of balance coming towards you, or you are making that balance. I really feel it's you going through all that transformation and you are making a decision that you need to bring that balance into your life with the Justice card. This is all about you understanding things more fairly here. You are moving from this addiction and this Five of Pentacles energy where you felt you have been left out in the cold, and you are moving towards, look at that. I didn't know why I did that, but I feel that this is like a life cycle, right? Five of Pentacles, shadow side, Eight of Cups, and the Justice. I really feel this is a complete um, life cycle, which I really feel that this is a completion of a cycle here, guys. And I'm for sure you're emerging victorious. You're emerging the Emperor here. All right. So I feel that there is some kind of balance coming into your life with the Libra Justice energy here. Fairness to all, balance being restored, right? Yeah. Six of Cups. So you might feel that there are still memories, but you know that when people leave you, memories are the things which is, which stays with us forever. So accept that this person is Queen of Cups. All right. So I really feel that there are memories here, there are nostalgia here, and I really feel that you're moving towards this stage of your life by understanding more things. There is healing here. I really feel that this is also about a soulmate, you know, relationship, or this might be about thinking about childhood memories or something. And we have the Queen of Cups clearly saying that you are going towards a process of healing, understanding things in a more mature way, because Queen of Cups is somebody who's very mature, very loving, and very kind here. So I really feel that from the Five of Pentacles energy, you are taking power for the situation with the Emperor, and you're moving towards a complete change, complete transformation, and coming to a place of, complete understanding and more love and healing here with the Queen of Cups. I really feel that it's beautiful. It takes courage, right? It takes a lot of courage to be here after what you have gone through, right? This is all about balance being restored in your life, but you have to put in the work, guys. I really feel that's a massive changes from where you started and what you have been through to the future, right? The outcome is beautiful. It clearly says that you need to work on it. All right. So Pisces, this is your weekly reading from the 28th September to the 4th of October. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye.